This is Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for August 18th, 2025. The Cambodia Securities Exchange Index was up by 0.65 points or 0.16% and closed at 404.98. Total trade volume was down with 44,646 shares changing hands at a total value of 207 million real or close to $52,000. On the main board, 4 stocks were up. Leading the market was Pestec Cambodia, up 3.57% or 90 real to 2,610 real per share, followed by Sihanoukville Autonomous Port, which rose 0.50% or 60 real to 12,120 real per share. Other stocks also up were Grand Twins International and Akleda Bank. On the downside, MJQ Education was the biggest loser of the day, down 0.50% or 10 real to 1,990 real per share, followed by Phnom Penh Autonomous Port, which dropped 0.29% or 40 real to 13,560 real per share. Meanwhile, Phnom Penh Water Supply Authority, Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ, and CAM GSM remained flat. Over on the growth board, JS Land was up 0.72% or 20 real to 2,780 real per share, while DVD Engineering dropped 0.99% or 20 real to 2,000 real per share. Akleda Bank recorded the highest trade volume of the day with 18,504 shares changing hands at a total value of 126 million real or over $31,500, approximately 41% of Monday's trade volume. Royal Group Phnom Penh SEZ recorded the second highest trade volume of the day with 15,881 shares changing hands at a total value of 32.7 million real or over $8,000, about 35.5% of August 18th's trade volume. In other market news, Telco Tech Limited released its Q2 2025 financial report, which showed the company recorded a comprehensive income of over 6.3 billion real, down 19.84% compared to the same quarter last year. Grand Twins International also reported a revenue of 89.6 billion real in Q2 of 2025, which is a 2.62% year-on-year decline, while net profit surged 257.86% to 967.5 million real. In the first 6 months of 2025 overall, Grand Twins International recorded a revenue of 148.9 billion real, which was 5.08% less than the revenue collected in the first 6 months of 2024. Moving on to the exchange rate, the Khmer Real to USD weakened slightly to 4,007 real per US dollar, while the US dollar index was up to 97.95. Looking at global commodities, oil prices held steady on Monday as traders awaited clues from a meeting between US President Donald Trump and Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky as they attempt to come to a peace deal to end Europe's deadliest war in 80 years. Brent crude futures stood at $65.87 a barrel, while US West Texas Intermediate crude was up 9 cents or 0.14% to $62.89 a barrel. Gold prices eked out gains helped by lower US Treasury yields, while market players awaited US President Donald Trump's meeting with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky and European leaders later in the day. Spot gold gained 0.4% to $3,348.28 per ounce on Monday after hitting its lowest level since August 1st. US gold futures for December delivery rose 0.3% to $3,393.40. Stock futures traded lower early Monday after hopes for lower interest rates fueled a winning week on Wall Street. As of the time of the Cambodian market's closing, Dow Jones Industrial Average futures edged down 92 points or 0.21%, S&P 500 futures and the Nasdaq 100 futures were down 0.13% and 0.05%. This was Darshana Gauchan with your B2B Cambodia Market update for August 18th.